What's up YouTube? Anthony coming in with another video. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay up to date with all my videos. So in this video, we're going to be discussing paid advertising versus free traffic. Let's just say you want to start affiliate marketing and you want to start running Facebook ads, Bing ads, no matter what the traffic source. One common question in the beginning is that you're going to ask yourself, should I be using paid traffic or should I be using free traffic? And when I very first started affiliate marketing, that was one of my biggest things. What should I do when I get started? Should I just do free or should I do paid? Depending on actually what your goals are. So free traffic can work, paid traffic can work. You guys already know I'm probably going to tell you paid traffic 100%, but you got to ask yourself these certain questions that we're going to discuss in this video. Once you ask yourself these questions, then you can easily decide that, okay, I'm going to start with paid traffic or I'm going to start with free traffic and then I'm going to take this strategy. So let's dive right in.
The game, y'all just commentate from the side. I'm like, oh God, oh my God. Everything I do, you know I do it for the squad.
So if you're trying to decide between paid and free, ask yourself these up and coming questions. Number one, what is my budget? Now, the reason I say that is because if you want to do free traffic and if you want to do paid traffic requires a lot of testing. In the beginning, if your budget's only $100 or $200, it's going to be very difficult to get started with paid traffic because you may not have a lot of experience in affiliate marketing, running campaigns, tracking, and then having all the tools to actually run your business successfully. So if your budget was below $800, I would say stick with starting with free traffic. Now, free traffic isn't bad. Now, what I do recommend if you want to start with free traffic, start on YouTube. The easiest way to do it is actually building a personal brand. On my channel, I don't have too much content going over free traffic strategies, but I'll go over a couple ones that you can actually start today and implement. Number one, start on YouTube. Start a channel, start documenting it. You do not have to be an expert in YouTube, or you do not have to actually even put your face on the camera to even do a video like how I'm doing right now. There's so many channels out there right now who crush it and they don't even show their face. So if that's something you're on edge about, make sure to actually just start. And next thing you can actually do is start an Instagram, start a Twitter, and start these niche pages. If you're doing that, then you can start building up, for example, a fitness page. Start putting fitness-related content and start posting content and engaging with the audience and building up an Instagram page, a following, a Twitter following. Same thing. And then what you can start doing is monetizing that and start earning affiliate commissions. Now, one easy way to do all of this is actually do reviews. Let's just say right now you have a watch on your hand. I have an Apple Watch on my wrist right now. I could easily do an Apple Watch review on my watch, post a YouTube video about it, and then guess what? I could go to Amazon Associates, sign up as an affiliate, and then promote this watch off of that video. So that's one way. Now, if you have a lower budget, I do recommend just stick with free traffic. And also, if you're working a day job, if you're working 40 plus hours a week, start with free traffic. Just start easy, because if you're not ready to invest in paid traffic, then it's not worth it to even go into paid traffic. So now, paid traffic, 100% is the way I do recommend to actually go. If you have a budget of at least $1,000 plus and you're willing to invest in your business and you're willing to test, I would say start with paid traffic. And you need to start asking yourself, what is my income goal? Is my income goal with affiliate marketing to be making $100 a day profit? Ask yourself that right now. What would $400 a day profit do for you right now, and how would that impact your life? So then what you want to do then, after you decide what your magic number is on what you want to be making in affiliate marketing, you got to make sure you actually have that campaign budget to actually test. So then what I did is I busted out a bunch of hours at work and then invested in my campaigns and then grew my campaigns, tested, and then scaled them. So I do want to say the fastest way to earn affiliate commissions is actually paid advertising. You could put a campaign up today, 3 hours from now, 4 hours from now, the campaign gets approved. You start to know what's working, what's not working, depending on how much you're spending. So paid traffic is the fastest way to build a sustainable online business. Now, free traffic can work. Now, I do like free traffic also. I have a YouTube channel. That's a ton of free traffic. I have a Twitter. Now, that's free traffic. So lastly, just to do one final recap, ask yourself this. How much am I willing to invest in myself to grow my business? If you're willing to invest $1,000 plus to get going with paid advertising, would be the best way to go. If you're not ready to invest $1,000 plus in yourself, then paid traffic isn't the way to go. So I hope that answers anybody's question who's been on edge on, should I start with paid or should I start with free? Is my budget high enough to start doing affiliate marketing with Bing, Facebook. Now there's other traffic sources out there, but these are the main ones I like to focus in right now. But as always, thank you for watching this video, and make sure to come check out my private Facebook group, Entrepreneur Affiliates. Have a great day.
Hey, never had you seen in your lifetime a more divine southern rapper with a swag like mine, facing all kind of time, but smile like I'm fine. Brag with such passion to shine without trying. Believe me, pain's a small thing to a giant. I was born without a dime. Out the gutter I climbed, spoke my mind and didn't stutter one time.